just about time that we get going now. Thank you all so much for your patience. To start off with, we have a special performance by a very well-known Bristol poet. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Lawrence Hoo.
Can you hear me now? Okay. Well, I'm coming here to open up with a poem which Junior asked me to write for this awards, and it's simply titled The MTM Awards. I'd like to tell you a story of why the MTM Awards were created. It was in the hope that all who were recognized would be elevated. Established in 2012, to celebrate excellence in the South Asian community, the MTM Awards have grown, creating more understanding and unity. The achievements of Asian, African, and ethnic communities is immense. Understanding the challenges they face, only full inclusion made sense. Culture, business, arts, and diversity. The MTM Awards are a joy to see, bringing communities together from all over the Southwest. The MTM Awards continue to grow to recognize the best. Supporting charities underlines what the MTM Awards are about. So if you are able, give generously. If not, just a nominal amount. Before I go, I'd just like to leave you with this. Accepting differences allows us all to live in bliss. Thank you and enjoy your evening.